In this video, I will show you 3 methods to take screenshots on your iPad 11, A16. Now the first method is that you can capture a screenshot on your iPad using a combination of the buttons of your iPad. Now to capture a screenshot using the button combinations, just press the side button with either of the volume buttons. As you can see, if I press the side button with the volume up button, I will capture a screenshot. And if I press the side button with the volume down button, I will capture a screenshot. Now just tap on done to save. Just select save to photos and it will save the captured screenshot to the Photos app. Now this was the first method. For the second method, just go to settings and under settings just scroll down and tap on accessibility. Under the accessibility settings, just tap on touch. Now over here just tap on assistive touch. Now just enable the toggle for assistive touch and from here you can either select single tap or double tap. I will select single tap. Over here, just select an action for single tap. Now select screenshot. Now after you select screenshot, and if you tap on the accessibility button just like that, you will take a screenshot as we have done right now. Just like that. Now for the third method, just go back to settings, but this time just scroll down and tap on Siri. From here, just tap on talk to Siri. Now if Hey Siri is disabled, just select Hey Siri from here. Now just tap on continue and say the following sentences. Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. Now just tap on done. And after you do that, now you can ask Siri to take a screenshot on your iPad by just saying, Hey Siri, take a screenshot. Just like that. And you can find all your captured screenshots in the Photos app. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.